Version of panel of temporary chairman, Sachin Timong, former executive members of Khatinanong Autonomous Council, to be taken by the
Leader of the House, obviously reference Milifan properly Milifan Akbar people. Let's see. Obituary of late Sachin Timong.
সোশ্যাল লাইফবিলাক বিভিন্ন অনুষ্ঠানবিলাকত ইনভলভ আছিলে, আক্টিভ আছিলে, সেইখিনি কথা লগতে অট'নমাছ ষ্টেট মুভমেণ্টৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত এজন তেওঁ ডেডিকেটেড নেতা হিচাপে অট'নমাছ ষ্টেট মুভমেণ্ট ASDC এজন নেতা হিচাপে কাম কৰিছিল। সেইখিনি তেখেতক নিশ্চয় আমি শলাগ ল'বই লাগিব, কিন্তু আজি তেখেত আমাৰ মাজত নাই। আৰু আজি এই পবিত্ৰ ঘটনাতে তেখেতৰ আত্মা চিৰশান্তি যাতে ভগৱানে দিয়ে তাৰ কাৰণে ভগৱানৰ ওচৰত প্ৰাৰ্থনা জনাইছোঁ। আৰু তেখেতৰ সমূহ পৰিয়াললৈ সমবেদনা জনাই মোৰ বসুময় মাছ সামৰি মাছ
Kaya lamu nang likiklang gedang sosha di hangan no. Alang li tapor kibong berpendan si patuku kan si tapori iltum si tebok si terai no alang li tum ke sumai lang li boleh patang sa orang si sini aja Olympic oh nanti nanti langsung potibong dan tapi sini dokter lain ujar longgen saya masih si api ke bisi ke sini tu pakai 1956 pen itu Autonomous State Movement SDC penegakon Autonomous State Movement katang suhu tu pakai ini tumta workers party SDC workers tu alang ka itu bosok kat lo lasi Mei meeting kita jail kerja Police pen ereng isu arong main meeting ke dah ketuk kabe klaim rakyat asumsi so selangli kayu klaim di polutan te sincerely ke klaim tang tu dan alangli ni jadi kami pakai event kita benar konferensi untuk kita dalam event sini lega Mujib itu kita tidak tahu sedang di bawah jika ketika kita cari salam itu ini kita punya juga. Abi tu lagi tapi kau pakai kapten orang mana lo itu yang terjadi orang ini kelas satu lagi. Tak mau saya sekretari yang ada di dalam itu. Tapi ini satu ini lagi orang kita terus pakai. Kita lagi tu aja yang ada ini macam ini lo. Jangan dikadang di sini yang song pakai kita apa itu. Karena itu pakai tapi di pakai kepon di dulu di mata no. Kita pakai alami elektrik pakai. Tapi pakai itu sudah tahu. Itu sama kayak itu yang mana kayak enggak. Nah, itu juga kamu film juga nah itu benar. Kita pakai kepon itu no di kampung ini kan. Lai elektrik nanti nanti sedikit apa? Kasih perut atau lap ini dipakai kalau baik simulak di pas itu. Milik on dia lagi ya. Aticar rumah student rumah bu milik tunta itu milik tum aticar rumah dia bercerita milik tum aja bu sampai milik tunta. Rasona atmosfer sialan kadri. Tapi dalam ni Singhason dan Hailo tapi ke IM kita dalam forest in charge IM Manlo alam ni ke mana set abang ke Singhason hawa kita ni pinaan kacalan pun dulu kacing tur pun dulu tapi mungkin tapi kalau dia tu kita ni hampa jatuh alam ni ke plan ke dalam ta serious speak Lapen ke alam ni akhir mange parti ke do khusus kita me ekdom thur parti apa tak ko. Lapen akhir dah ke alam ni aning jala pensi horomanat do kata horomanat pusata me pu ke koi chot tu tadi khoda ekdom dolamara am mandir ro si do dun thik pensi ahya marina na chili et khoda jang me ka thik do mungkin
sini mungkin di pusat si Sarsing timung ke UC school si teacher kita, hala suhut nilipota me Wilson timung, lo, ada UC school lo headmaster claim lah, hala suhut si alam suhut ke claim apa, gitar dun kidun, gitar ta ron, Sarsing timung ke ahok bangke top B nahi bang, serta api timung. Aku rasa sih sudah kau bil berasa untuk ini. Nasi orang ni pun tu pen kecelan, tinggi kecetan, kalau tu pen kami ni macam ni tu. Tapi nak fikir SDC yang mukmin orang dia nak fikir ni fikir. Dia apa bangke silong dan dulu, silong dan mau jalan ke, ni pun dah mau jalan bangke dan IM man lo, mukmin foreign transport apa. Even fisari dah kena. Ni bukan messenger pun tu, tapi Mula su pensi UC school pensi kecela apa si penangan aku penpun dan kacing ki aku pensi tong lote ani karo akapret do aki ke nili MEC through thela sabe nili BTC chairman klepo hala su BJP government talila Congress government do pang hut CM tu lira mangha pen nili tu governor ke ba hut ha asram long ke daman si nilita tini jalang ike lokimon Songholo, secretary Clemon. Hala susi sarsiti muhula tagdo pusami ni chini pusami che tonglong ni setala so aprangan mo. Hala dan asramo long ke Clem kita dolong moralong ni constituency long nang ke pada sikit akhir quarter lo ko pada sialang ni alive time mana alang horong apa cipilo alang atam ke Clem itu anong mo sa meta da sincerity bando naka bujay bando Clem pon pamitu punon ng luar bagulilong jalin lo lempon pamit
Mahalaga ikhan lo kaise party level ka bukke na kaya na board organization na meeting hota me alang event kana nation ka alang ni positive thinking alang ni kai ta so laso ki ba ke movement alang ni claim de de na pige ba ke politics department and de na pige alang ni एक सारा मोटर आना मरे देंगे ओके बेबेक नहीं बुमा खासे आना काम से नहीं क्लेम लोग mana strong लोग से नहीं कौन जुल बात देना सिर्फ अलग नहीं जिन्हें फान टाइम में नहीं है जिन्हें फान चित्तों से दोनों फान itu hang di lapen ada dalam tu lagi pulang lagi di mana pulau lapen dono apa saja tapi balso kita toilet dan cenglo tapi kafe kamar saya nanti yang itu Karbela Autonomous Council Penny, Peko dan Menini, Jongjo Menini, Petame Kontraktor Tuhan Hang, PC, Alat Menini dan Tuhan Lapen kianan ni, itu gono, ano ni, kumata jumlah pada lapen jalan ni besen lapen alang ni kalau dah laso dokumen asrom no kompliti ba kenang ji pewan blok penceng lok untuk kedam tua penceng lok offices penceng lok community hall penceng lok lapen school building penceng lok lahai kenalan ni kana pulo lapen punal ke ada lokal mesti contoh ya hai penceng wai jing sai su teklen isi yang lek hai pun ada macam ya ke lapen alang ni kesuka gulong pen ini ningduk si alang ni kan anak madong kilo lapen ke alang ni ke media kan tong skop tangkap poisa ni kilo thapu si alang ni yem omosing skop ke hai legacy dia mau polong ke thapu si te kon lamlang kalau sebut lapen ke mi muncul pen alang ni aku tu cuma masuk ke dalam dasar nang roda depan Lasi langsung sana bang tu, ini tuhan contribution happy. Dan yang orang akan contribution happy. Dalam dia kemana udah, jangan orang orang saya tinggal berdevelop mereka dengan develop. Lasi asupi note tapi asupo, asupi dah ini tapi asupo note tapi yang masuk bidang pokok. Tapi si, labang follow pan kelan yang di mana dia kerja dulu. Boleh ngawal saya benceng lo, kape ngawal saya. Puntan ikan belok, normal sponsor mesti tinggal belok begitu. Rasul fokus ikan kahai kan lancar. Lo, lapen ke anali, langsung kita tinggal lelo, pada asal lo, ini langsung itu dekat ni kan. Yang kumukra mana anak ini memang sih. Alam ini, dong yang meja tu dia kan dia sama mahal. Kan, yang ini doktor lo.
The matter that the governor is pending receipt of order of the governor, therefore the chairman should not allow the motion to be accepted. So what about the Bangalore Autonomous Council regard the desire to obtain the loan from Hardcop for construction of infrastructure at Iputu Jaila by discussion and adoptions of the resolution therefore given.
Respected honorable speaker, honorable members, my colleagues, sponsor. যিবিলাকৰ আমাৰ এক্স হৈছে যে ইয়াৰ অপজিশ্যন ৰুলিঙো নাথাকে আমিও কেতিয়াবা এক্স হ'ব গতিকে সেই তাৰ কাৰণে আমি বছৰত আমি 1 crore 80 লাখ টকা এতিয়া বাজেটৰ এবাৰ পৰা ধৰা হৈছে যে পেনশ্যনটো আমাৰ যিমানখিনি আমাৰ চেলেৰি পাই সেই পেনশ্যন তেওঁলোকৰ পাব এক্স বিলাক 2 unlike previous year the revenue received from the year 2020-21 has been expected of rupees to the rupees 1704 lakhs on the head of account 013 forest in spite of the ban input by the Honorable Supreme Court of India on the operation of the forest product. Moreover, a council budget is prepared with actual probable revenue received in order to avoid unnecessary imposition of the taxes on other taxes of the income and expenditure. Land revenue, mines and mineral roads, transport services, etc. Under ground number 9, public works, the budget provision has been made available under the major work rupees 700.00 lakhs, constituency development fund for rupees 780 lakhs. আগত প্ৰথম কাৰ্বি অটোনমাস কাউন্সিলৰ মোৰ দিনতে আগতে লোকেল এমএলএ ডেভেলপমেন্ট ফান্ড বুলি আছে এমপি ডেভেলপমেন্ট ফান্ড বুলি আছে কিন্তু এমএসি ডেভেলপমেন্ট ফান্ডটো নাই গতিকে আমাৰ দিনতে মোৰ দিনতে প্ৰথম ইন্ট্ৰোডিউস কৰা হৈছে 5 লাখ টকা তাৰপিছত আহিলে 10 লাখ টকা আৰু যোৱাবাৰ 15 লাখ টকালৈকে আমি বছৰত লোকেল এমএসি যিকোনো স্কিম ল'ব পাৰে যিকোনো আঁচনি ল'ব পাৰে কিন্তু এবাৰ 15 লাখ চাই এবাৰ প্ৰত্যেক অনাৰেবল এমএসিয়ে 30 লাখ তেওঁলোকে খৰচ কৰিব পাৰিব যে প্ৰত্যেক সমষ্টি ডেভেলপমেন্টৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত 30 লাখ তেওঁলোকে খৰচ কৰিব পাৰে যিকোনো আঁচনি ল'ব পাৰিব Under ground number 11 education, I am very glad to announce that the budget provision of rupees 70 lakhs has been made available for the scholarship stipend for a technical student including IS coaching An amount of rupees 10 lakhs had been made under 9 TIA Central Study in Karbi Language and Culture. Itu আমাৰ Center for Study in Karbi Language এখেতৰ কাৰণে 10 লাখ এনুৱেল বাজেট দিয়া হৈছে আৰু জি 2021 under ground number 23 roads bridge budgetary provision has been made for rupees 50 lakhs for construction maintenance repair of roads and bridge footpath etc under ground number TIA for the year 2021 under ground number 16 loan and advances budgetary provision of rupees 5,000 lakhs has been made for the construction of multi-level parking at Difu and multi-story commercial complex at Difu and KSC gas house at Difu. Itu kami repayment di bawah karena kami pas kita kaya budget untuk perawat. Under number 61 loan and advances to the autonomous council employees, a budgetary provision of rupees 50 lakhs has been made for the granting for the housing building advances of rupees 50 lakhs for the motorcycle advance under 18 investment loans during 2020-21 to facilitate necessary fund to the officers and staff of the council sector and White House building and loans advances during the 2021. Under number 63, deposit bearing of interest of the budgetary provisions of rupees 750 lakhs has been made the provisions of for an interest payable of 2 hatko. Itu hatko karena 7 crores 50 lakh there. Honorable Speaker and member of this House, it is a great privilege for me to present the council sector budget of the Kargil Autonomous Council for the year 2020-21 before this House for a discussion and vote on demand of grant as per rules 114 of the Assam Autonomous District Constitution of District Council Rules 1951. Last but not the least, I extend my sincere thanks and gratitude to the all officers and staff for engaging themselves sincerely and dedicatedly in the preparing the council budget for the year 2021. Thank you, Speaker. Isiaban ke lapen laso cepaya autonomous state cepaya tem benil tu Kargil Autonomous Council ke time and against Prime Minister Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi long kata talk dia kata irrigation tampo lapen ke Amit Shah long kata puro dopi jamno lapen ke Karbi Anglong man ke apat CA exam ket nanti CA playable nang dabang playable kali mula sohut meeting keting wai ko ilgi long asam hono kami tok jirpen waida kelas sapen autonomous tidak berhak impul lo kilo laben ke central government along ke do aminusia to makan kami letum Kargil Autonomous Council pen ke ye autonomous tidak berhak nang cingwai pinangi lapen ke na implement pivek nang ke time and against lo letum impul lo to get la support had the pinning resolution for the palam do sita as per rules itu atek benetum next for la penke isi agenda banke boro tum phan ST Hills belong le living in Karbi Anglong Hills district la support had banke nili do hot apran rejection do granting of ST Hills to the Bodo is the decision taken by the Union government and contained in the Bodo Accords. The EC under my leadership has opposed the decision through the EC Resolution number 4 as adopted on 23/05/2016. As the Bodos are plain tribes, not hillside, the Bodo if the ST Hills will In fact, the political rights given to the hill tribes in Article 330, Clause 1C, and Article 332, Clause 2 and 6 of the Constitution of India. I have expressed our opposition to the Prime Minister and the Home Minister several times through memorandum and through discussion. As long Team Karbi Anglong is in the EC, we will not allow the implementation of Grantia State Hills in Bodos. As per rules to declare the examination platform. Kasi Honorable Deputy Speaker, presented in the August House on 5th March 2020. Honorable Chairman and respected member of this August House, it is indeed a great privilege for me to the present estimated receive an expenditure for the year 2021. Before this August House, the estimated receipt and expenditure are to be credited to or is to be made the district fund of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous District budget for the inherent subject as per Rules 109 of the Assam Autonomous District Constitution of District Council Rules 1951. Honorable Deputy Speaker, the copies of the budget prepared for the year 2021 have already been made available to the honorable members of this August House. I do hope during the session there will be a truly and constructive deliberation on estimated receipt and expenditure for the year 2020-21. I therefore will present here some of the silent features of the estimated receipt and expenditures on the budget for the year 2020-21. It is made with true to your kind notice that the total estimated expenditures is proposed at rupees 16354.95 lakhs. Again, the total estimated receipt of rupees 14603.50 lakhs, leading to a deficit of rupees 1751.45 lakhs approx for the year 2020-21. Our revenues are derived from our own sources as well as from the state government and government of India in the form of grants made and administrative charge every year. The council main resources of the revenue are derived mostly from the forest product, entry tax, professional tax, trade, callings and employment, land revenue, share of motor vehicle tax, sale proceeds from the weekly markets, hard fisheries, cattle pounds. The other sources of revenue are to the sale of district council receipt beside court fee stamp and royalty from the mines and mineral, etc. It is an immediate fact that there was a poor receipt of revenue under the council sector since long. It is mainly under the head of account 013 forest. Because the operation of the forest product have been virtually stopped on account of the ban imposed by the Honorable Supreme Court since 1995. It is a known fact that the forest alone is the main source of the council revenues since it is inception. As the self-declared revenue cannot be supplemented by other sources of revenue which are numerically negligible. In order to meet the huge depleted revenue receipts, the rates and fee imposed of different subjects like trading license fee, transfer fee, land transaction and other trade, selling etc. have been hoped to increase Marginally, it is also proposed to enhance revenue from the collection of goods, amount of average royalty, taxes from the subject, like the CIC, motor vehicle tax, land revenue, also from operation timber under working plan norms. We also expecting to receive the release of administrative charge, share of motor vehicle tax of rupees 5,000 lakhs, which is the lines and area from the state government, so that KAC may be able to afford in a line of that in the district of the Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. Honorable Deputy Speaker, the council budget is prepared with the probable estimated expenditure of rupees 22500.95 lakhs from the financial year of 2020-21.